We're using a modern day technique to serve up a classic dessert, and no doubt you're gonna love it. Howard shows us how to make a Boston cream pie poke cake in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
You know, I love it when we get to take a classic recipe like Boston cream pie, which was created in Boston in the mid-1800s, and give it a twist. Did you know that Boston cream pie isn't even a pie? It's 2 layers of sponge cake separated by vanilla custard and topped with a chocolate fondant. To make it weeknight friendly, we're taking everything we love about it and turning it into a poke cake. After baking and cooling a yellow cake mix in a 9x13 pan, we take the handle of a wooden spoon and poke holes all over it. Then we fill those holes with vanilla pudding, which ensures that every bite is super moist. After this chills, we'll swirl the top with a homemade chocolate glaze that's decadently delicious. Now, before digging in, we let it cool one more time to make sure everything sets up. And after your first forkful, you'll know why this cake has stood the test of time. To get the recipe for what we call Boston cream pie poke cake, simply visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an up-to-date classic way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.